Welcome back to our new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how to off reading mode in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you off reading mode in Redmi 10 phone? Today I'm going to tell you about this setting we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all, guys, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So it's now time to start video. First of all, friends, open your phone setting. We will on, and after it, guys, come on display. After display, guys, click on reading mode. You can see here, so we will click, and guys, you can see reading mode, guys. You want to off, then guys click here, and guys, you can see adjust option has gone because of reading mode is off and you will on. So guys, you can adjust, and when you will off, then you cannot adjust. So I hope, guys, you have understood how to off reading mode in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.